In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a file upload form to your Blogger blog using Google Forms. This method is both reliable and free, and it doesn't require any special coding skills, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, integrating a file upload form can significantly enhance your blog's functionality. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Google Forms. If you're not familiar with it, Google Forms is a versatile tool that offers various features for creating custom forms. Once you're there, the initial step is to create a new form. Start by clicking on Blank, which will give you a clean slate to design your form exactly how you want it. Next, you'll add your form fields. Consider including the basics like name and email. These fields help you gather essential information from respondents, setting up easy communication channels. Now, the critical part for our purpose today is adding a file upload question. Keep in mind, respondents may need a Google account to upload files. This step ensures that files are securely uploaded and stored. Once you have your form set up, look to the top right corner where you'll find 3 vertical dots. Clicking this will reveal several options. Select Embed HTML. This will generate an embed code, which you'll need to copy. This code is what allows you to integrate the form onto your Blogger page, making it an invaluable part of your toolkit. Now, switch over to your Blogger account. You have the option to either create a new page or edit an existing one, depending on where you'd like your form to appear. When you're ready, make sure you switch to HTML view in the Blogger editor. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to paste and properly embed your code. Paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms into the appropriate spot in your HTML script. This action will integrate the form directly into your blog page. To make sure everything looks as you expect, take a moment to preview the changes. This final check will ensure that all elements are functioning properly and appear as intended. Once you're happy with how everything looks in preview, go ahead and hit Publish. Your form will now be live, fully integrated into your Blogger page. Utilizing Google Forms offers several benefits. It's completely free and seamlessly integrates with other Google services. Plus, it automatically saves uploaded files to your Google Drive, providing both convenience and easy access. However, do keep in mind the limitation that responders will need to have Google accounts to upload files. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a file upload form to your Blogger blog, enhancing its interactivity. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.